doing a little last minute unpacking from the last trip, which we just got back on 2 days ago, and packing for our coast trip. Exciting! I think I have everything all laid out. Of course, I got my bag of stickers. I feel like I'm gonna be making some cuts. All of this is going to fit into this tiny bag that's already half full. My rain gear, some socks, all my little tees. I want to wear just black, but when you're filming, colors are better. It's like we have to think about the filming and the riding. My knife. Lots of panties, which I'll probably only shower twice and not change those. These are so clutch, the silky boxers, because they like keep your private parts from like chafing, basically. 3 hats. Oh, 4, because I'm gonna read this one. Is that too many for a week-long trip? Okay, I should have filmed that in time lapse because it all fit in this bag. It's like this ration supply bag is like a magic bag where everything just fits. This I'm wearing tomorrow, so I'm leaving out, and I have to shower, so I'm leaving my shower stuff out. But it should be the perfect amount of space in there. Just got my jacket and a spare pair of shoes in there. I usually bring 1 pair of shoes, but if those get wet, you're fucked. So, let's go!